Hello folks, it's Clinton Moss here with Gunner Energy Services. I got a cool little case study for you guys here today. We're going to head 8,000 foot below rotary to see what's happening downhole. So, I don't know if you can remember or not, but I had a video a few months back where I was on surface and we had marks on the pipe. We were inching it down. So you know what we were doing there? We were milling, okay? So we were milling a hole into the side of the casing. That's what you're going to see right here now in this illustration. We slowly mill our way down and open up that window. And once the window's been completely cut, it's about 8 foot long into the 7-inch casing that you see in red, we have a little surprise inside, okay? Inside there was a 2 3/8 inner string. So now folks, here's our challenge. I've got to fit a stinger back inside this 2 3/8 by 7-inch casing. And there it is, folks. If you have the very precise milling software and you have a very precise alignment to the target, we can achieve intersection and re-entry at 8,000 feet, actually fitting a stinger along by 7 by 2 3/8. Isn't that wild, folks? So there you have it. Stay tuned for the next time. The next little interesting case study is just around the corner.